Hi all, today we are going to see about the video object oriented programming. In object oriented programming, we are going to see about Java arrays. So what is an array? Array is a collection of related data items, that is group of item with similar data type is called as array. Creating an array. First, for creating an array, first we have to declare the array and then create the memory location, and then we have to put the values to the memory locations. So for creating an array, first we have to declare the array, what type of array. Likewise, we have to declare the array and then we have to create the memory location, how much memory is needed to for the particular array, and then we have to insert the values to the memory locations. For declaring an array variable, we do not have to create an array while declaring an array variable. So first we have to give type of the array and the variable name. For example, double mylist. Both the syntax are equivalent. Double, then allocation of memory mylist, or double mylist allocation of memory. Both the syntax are equivalent. No memory allocation is done at this point. Defining an array. While defining an array, we have to follow the following things. That is, first variable name is equal to new type, and then array size we have to give. For example, number is equal to new integer 5. So it consists of 5 places in the memory locations from 0 to 4. My list is equal to new int 10. 10 means 0 to 9. That is, we have allocated 10 memory locations for the my list. It creates an array using new data type array size. It also assigns the reference of the newly created array to the variable and variable name. Next one is data type array name is equal to list of variables. We can also give list of variables in the array with the help of this array size. So int is the integer type of 4 bytes. Total space is 4 into 10, that is equal to 40 bytes. So declaring and defining in same statement. Double mylist is equal to new double. Creating arrays. This is the pictorial representation of an array. So here you see, first we are declaring the 10 variables, and the variable has values. All the values are stored inside the memory locations. So mylist is the array name, and then array variable is mylist. So reference, there are 10 elements. The memory space allocated is from 0 to 9. So at the array element index 5, the value is 34.33. At the array index 9, 11123 is the value. Likewise, the array index value varies from depending on the 0 to array, 0 to 9. What happens if we define different types of arrays? First one is int a is equal to new long of 20, incompatible types. It will come the error like incompatible types. The right hand side defines the array, and thus the array variable should refer to the same type of array. Example, int prime 100. Error is equal to expected, that is long prime 20. The C++ style is not permitted in Java syntax. So long prime is equal to new long of 20, or prime 25 is equal to 33. Here runtime error will be expected to come. And the error name is java.lang array index out of bound exception. Next one is array size through input. Buffer reader. Through the buffer reader we can give the input streams, and here using the system.out.println we can give the get the values, enter a size of an array, and then it is of integer type, and then it converts into the data into the int, and then after getting the data, the array length is given as 4. Next one is example for array with the size of the array. Public class test array name, the class name is test array, public static void main, string args. Here the list is given, the list values are 1.9, 2.9, 3.4, 3.5. print all the array elements we are given, so all the elements will be listed one by one. Reusing array variables. Int prime is equal to new integer of 10. So previous array will be discarded and cannot alter the type of the array. So demonstration, in long prime is equal to new long of 20, prime value starts from 0, that is the value is 2, prime 1 is 3. So system.out.println of 0 means the 2 is printed. System.out.println 1 means 3 is printed. If we give any other values, then we have to initiate the array and then we have to declare the variables before initiating it. Next, array length. Array length refers to the length using the length method, a data member of an array object. Array variable underscore name dot length. Next, we can give the sample code, that is long of prime is equal to new long of 20. System dot primes dot length means the output is 20. If number of elements in an array are changed, then Java will automatically change the length of the attributes. Here is a sample program. So class name is minimum of array, and here the main program starts and we are declaring the array with 20, 19, 1, 5, 71, 27, 19, 20 is the values declared for the array of integer type. And then first we are initializing the current minimum value, and then we are giving the system.out.println to print the array with the incremental values. Two-dimensional array. This two-dimensional array is a representation of 2D arrays, that is int my array of, we can give two memory, we can allocate two memory locations. My array is equal to new integer of 3, 4. So we can allocate two different types of arrays in a single name, that is called as two-dimensional array. Example, int my array is equal to new int of 3, 4. So here 2 consists of the values 0, 0 and 3 consists of the values 2 into 2 columns and 3 rows. Thank you.